Hi, welcome in Education Flicks YouTube channel. Please watch full video to get more knowledge, and subscribe now and press bell icon, and get the latest videos notification. Let's start. Hi Sam, how are you? I am here again.
Hi, I am fine, yes. Good to see you again. So today what do you like to ask about computer?
Today I am not going to ask you anything. I have prepared everything. I like you to ask me questions and I will give you the answers.
Very nice, Liza. It sounds great. Let's check your knowledge. Okay, my first question is, digital computers are classified in 4 categories. What are they?
I know that. Digital computers are mini-computers, microcomputers, mainframe computers and supercomputers.
Very nice. My next question is, PC and AT stands for?
PC is personal computers with advanced technology.
Yes. Okay, next question is, a collection of 4 binary digits is known as?
It's easy. Collection of 4 binary digits is 1 nibble.
How many options does a binary choice offer?
There are 2 options. 0 and 1. Computer understand only binary digits 0 and 1. It's easy to learn. Every input we give to computer, it convert into 0 and 1 binary digits and computer understand our input.
Yes. Liza, very nice. You are doing well. Next question is, what is the word length of mainframe computers?
It's 48 to 64-bit.
Yes. Right. Next question is related to memory. 2 different types of semiconductor RAM memories are there. What are they?
Yes, I know that. One is dynamic RAM, and second is static RAM.
Yes, right. Now tell me, in which memory the data stored are lost in the event of power failure?
I think there are 2 memory DRAM and SRAM.
UPRAM stands for?
Full form of UPRAM is ultraviolet programmable read-only memory.
Tell me what is the internet is?
Internet is a large network of networks.
Yes, great. Now a little difficult question. Tell me what is a backup?
Backup is an exact copy of a system's information and restoring the information backup and the ability to get a system running in the event of a system crash or failure.
Very nice, Liza. I hope you will get good marks in the exam.
Thank you, Sam. This happened because you helped me a lot. See you tomorrow again for new topic.
Yes, Liza. See you tomorrow with new chapter. And my viewers, please subscribe my channel to learn everything here. All in one with Education Flicks. Let's learn together.